Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I'm answering everybody's questions. Please bear with me. Any questions you have on the personal credit, on the business side, you could go right to my email right behind me at whoiskingshawn.com, which will be in the description right below this video. And I will be doing topics, and as well, I will be answering you on whatever question that you have from me on either side. Now, today I noticed I went through some emails and people are sending me a lot of emails on where can I go get cheap business auto insurance, right? But before we get into that, because I'm going to give you the people I actually use, right? They want to know, where do I go get my loans from when it comes to auto loan on the business side, right? I'm going to take it slow, so bear with me. I only use one bank from the beginning of my journey, and that is Ally Financial. Now, it is a lot of other banks, there's a lot of other lenders that have great rates, but since Ally Financial believed in me at the beginning, gave me my first one, I always rock with them after that, right? And they always give me great rates. And on top of that, they're very lenient. I know a lot of people have new companies, new LLCs, new S Corps, new C Corps, and they just want to try to get in the door and start building their business credit. Long as you've been in business at least 6 months and you got 5 accounts reporting to Experian Business. Listen to me clearly. Experian Business, you can have a mixture. Don't have one thing. A lot of people think I'm gonna go get 5 net 30s and I could go get this. No, that's not how that works. They want to see a mixture. They want to see net 30s. They want to see gas cards. They want to see business credit cards. Any kind of primary trade line that's reporting to the business side, but 5 accounts reporting to get you in the door. Don't come with 2 accounts, 3 accounts. No, they're not gonna approve. You need 5 different kind of primary trade lines reporting on Experian Business for approval, and you've been in business at least 6 months. They will give you a decent rate, which I really like. Now, it's something that you need to look forward to with Ally Financial. If you never had any kind of, listen to me clear, you had any kind of auto commercial loans before, you will have to put a down payment for your first time. Now, for me, my first time, I dropped $3,000, got me in the door. I had 5 accounts at the time reporting on my Experian Business. I was in business for about 7 months at the time, so I qualified all around. Gave a down payment of $3,000, got me a lender, got me in the door, got me that money, got my first vehicle on the business side. So again, Ally Financial is who I use now. The question is where can I get some cheap insurance from? Now, personally, I use Infinity. People, it will be in the description right below this video. I use Infinity commercial, insurance for all my cars when it comes to the business side, right? Now, you can go to Buy-Berk. Buy-Berk is another great company that you could get some insurance from, right? You could go to Progressive. Now, through my experience, Progressive is a little on the high end, but they can get you in the door with some decent payments, right? So Infinity Commercial you could go to, Progressive Commercial you could go to, Buy-Berk you could go to. Now it's another one, right? And this is a game changer. Hartford Commercial Auto Insurance you could go to. It's another one. So that's 4. I just gave it to you. I used Hartford at one point. Now I'm using Infinity Commercial, which that will be in the description right below. And the rates is very good, very cheap, and very reasonable, especially if you're just starting off and you might not have that much money to dish out. Now, if I will pick one out of all 4, which will be on the high end, it probably will be Progressive. Because yes, if you knew and you never had any kind of past business auto insurance, yes, they're going to get you on the high rate. But again, it's an option I'm going to give you that you'll be able to get in the door. So those are 4, again, companies that you go to if you're looking for cheap auto business insurance that, you can get in there. And again, Ally Financial. Now, you could go to Mercedes. If you go to Mercedes, they use, again, Experian Business. They will be looking at your Experian Business. If you're a person, you go to Ford. Now, Ford will be looking at Dun & Bradstreet. So, and as well, they want 5 to 6 accounts reporting on your Dun & Bradstreet to get you that approval. And as well as them, they will want a deposit. Mercedes will want a deposit. BMW will want a deposit. 9 out of 10 of all of them is if this is your first time getting any kind of auto loan on the business side, they're going to want a down payment. Well, once that first one is reporting on your business credit report, at that time, now you could go anywhere and get any kind of auto loan with no down payment. So I just wanted to bring this video to y'all real quick. I know I'm noticing a lot of emails and a lot of people are asking me that question, that they're saying that it's hard to get business auto insurance. Now, those are the 4. And again, if I had to pick out of 4, Infinity Commercial #1, and then Hartford will be #2 at the end of that. But get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.